Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a members sign up on your Wix website. This feature is essential if you want to build a community, manage user access, or offer exclusive content to registered members. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the section where you can manage all the sites connected to your account. Now you'll see a list of all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Take a moment to browse through them and locate the specific website where you want to add the members sign up feature. Click on that site to select it and move forward with the setup. Once you've selected your site, look towards the top part of your screen for a button labeled Design Site. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will redirect you to the Wix Harmony Editor, which is where you'll be able to customize and add elements to your website. You'll now find yourself in the Wix Harmony Editor screen. This is your workspace for building and designing. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button that says Add Element with a plus sign next to it. Click on that button. A menu will pop up with various categories of elements you can add. From this menu, locate and click on Forms and Contact. This section contains all the tools you need to create sign-up forms, contact forms, and more. Within the Forms and Contact menu, you have two main options. You can either create a brand new form from scratch, which allows you to fully customize every detail of your member sign-up, or you can use a pre-made form that already includes the usual contact and sign-up requirements for membership. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use a pre-made form as it's quicker and still very effective. Now click on the Forms section within that menu. You'll see a variety of pre-made forms displayed. Scroll down through the options until you find a relevant registration form that suits your needs. Once you've found one you like, you can either click on it directly or drag it onto your website to add it. Position the form wherever you think it will work best on your page, and you're all set. Your members sign-up feature is now live and ready to collect registrations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.